I got my Naruto with $10. How cool is this? Hi. This is so nice. Oh, this is just so cool.
Yeah, here it is. and here's an Elvis clock.
Oh, you have that one too?
Yeah.
It's $10. Oh no, there's one right here. Yeah, that's 10. This one is 20.
Oh, where's the other? There's another Elvis.
They're right. I put them right together. I put them
Yeah.
right together so that whoever liked Elvis would find amazing.
Ang cool nito bro. Elvis. This is vintage. How old is this? Bilhin ko to pre. Elvis clock.
The light, the clock is on a battery. That's a light to it.
It lights up? Okay.
Yeah, that's why that has that thing.
Okay, cool. This one is nice too. Oh, ang ganda nito bro. Elvis pre. I think may authenticity card sa likod. Yan. Yan, may authenticity card sa likod. That's a 20.
Trying to sell this cornhole, brand new cornhole game.
Bilhin ko yan.
Keeps pushing that.
I think bilhin ko yan. And then, ito rin. Spurs. Damn, ganda na to. $50. Ang ganda nito po, $50. Authenticity card, you know, Fanatics 2016. Man. Dang, this is so cool.
Oh yeah, I got Texans over here.
This is so cool. $50, pre.
Signed and autographed by a guy.
Picture ko yan. Kunin ko na to. Lahat ng Elvis. Yan. Kunin natin yan.
You guys need that hammer.
And then this one. I'm gonna get everything.
I like this too.
I think I'm gonna get all your Elvis stuff.
He wants all the Elvis stuff.
Okay. Deal.
Deal. I think you got that 20 on that.
Yeah.
And then 10, 10.
Yeah.
You take 30.
Okay.
$30. Cool.
I'm easy.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. Let me see if I have. I don't have.
Thank you, sir. Oh, I gotta go.
Yeah. Ganyan pre, $30 mga Elvis. Cool, no? Let's go. Ang cool nito pre. Oh, authentic siya.
And I have a pistol too.
Fanatics.
Too many
I owe you
people.
$5.
Yes. Ang cool kahit i-personal ko na to, kahit hindi ko to ibenta. No? Ilagay ko to sa bahay. $50. Tingnan ko, tanungin ko siya. Ang cool nito. Tanungin ko siya.
He's still thinking about the Spurs one.
I'm thinking about it. I might regret it if I'm not gonna buy it.
Hey, yes, ma'am. Thank you. It's got a piece of his jersey, you see.
Yeah.
Tony Parker's jersey. That thing was expensive a few years ago, I remember.
Uh-huh.
And when they were selling it at the sports stores
Uh-huh.
and stuff for high, you know, like $300-400, you know.
That's crazy.
Well, yeah, and Kawhi ain't there anymore, you see.
Yeah, he's no longer there.
But yeah, they were advertising it on TV with that piece of his jersey.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, maybe you remember.
You have it for 50. Can you do 40?
It's up to you. It's up to my husband.
Yeah, what the hell?
Yeah.
40
Well,
bucks?
you gotta
Okay.
move stuff.
Yeah.
All right. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Sports and Elvis.
$40.
Yeah.
There you go, sir. Thank you so much.
Uh,
Mayroon din dyan ito, Pio. $20, eh. Authentic din to. Limited edition Texan used football collection. Authentic din to, $20. Yan, pero may authentic certificate of authenticity rin. 2016. Bilhin ko na lang din kaya to, no? $20. Bilhin ko na lang to, pre. Ang cool kasi. I'll buy your Texans too.
Heck of a deal. And how about
You have more?
Texas Stadium, home of the Longhorns?
That's cool. I think I'm gonna pass on that. You know what? I need to go. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep on buying. I gotta stop looking. Thank you. So you have the card, authenticity
Yeah.
card. Ah, that's
Look at this.
awesome.
Ezekiel Elliott, and let me see. It's somewhere in here. It says, "Thanks." No, that's just a thanks for playing the game. There's somewhere in there.
But this is what matters right here.
That's what matters. Yeah, you've got that thing right
Yeah.
there.
So you have for both, right? How much are you asking for both? This is so cool. Elliott, Diggs.
Let's see, 250.
250 for both.
They're valued at $495 or something. It says that somewhere. That's what I was looking for.
Uh-huh.
That's Diggs. That's
Yeah,
one Diggs
that's the Diggs
play.
right here.
It's somewhere in here. There was a paper that said they're valued at $475.
It does have a small crack.
$475 each. But I don't see it. Huh. Maybe that was it. Oh, here it is.
A value of 4, yeah. So you want 250 for.
For both of them.
If I have 250, I don't know how much I got left.
Sorry.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How about 200?
What you got? 240?
I actually have 250, but can you take 200?
220.
220? Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. Thank you, sir.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Oh, let's get all this stuff together.
Oh my goodness, pre. Binili ko lahat. Ang ganda. Itong jersey na to, pre, may authenticity card. And then si Ezekiel Elliott, si Diggs. I don't know, pre. And then yung mga Elvis, ang laki nagastos ko dun. Pero I think it's worth it. I don't know, magkano lahat ang nagastos ko dun? Almost 300? Right? Oh my goodness, let's go. Alright, pre, so bahay na tayo. So ito yung mga nabili natin. As in, ang cool nito, pre. Mostly talaga binili ko tong mga to dahil ang cool. At saka may mga authenticity certificate. Yun yung mga reason ko. So I know na paid up ako nito, lalo na yung mga jersey. I mean, pero ang ano kasi, pwede ko kasi itong i-keep, pre. So, ang nasa isip ko nung binili ko to, it's either ibenta ko to, kasi for sure kung ibibenta ko tong mga to, I mean, worst case scenario is mabalik ko yung pera ko, or i-keep ko to personal para dito sa bahay. Kasi ang gaganda, para ang maganda pa dito is ang lilinis. So yung may-ari nito, iningatan niya talaga yung pinuntahan ko. So ito, pre, ilalagyan ko din ng screenshot kung magkano sila nabebenta. Yan, ang mirror. Tingnan niyo, bro, ang linis-linis. And then 10 lang yung bili ko nito. I think mabebenta to mga, I don't know, $40-50 kung ibibenta ko. So okay na yan. And then ito, ang neon light niya, hindi lang dito na part na to walang light. Pero yung yung clock niya gumagana, pero ito hindi buo yung light niya. Pero okay na din. Siguro kung ibibenta ko to, kahit makakuha ko ng $30-40 nito, masaya na ako. Kung ibibenta ko, parang hindi kasi. And then ito, wala akong makitang combs nito, pre. Itong 1, 2, 3, itong tatlong to, $40 ang bili ko nito. Ito wala akong makitang combs. Ang maganda kasi dito, may ito. Yan sa likod, may ano tawag mo ito? Teka, may yan, may certificate, may authenticity din. Oh, yan. I think nanggaling sa Las Vegas to. 'Di ba? Nagawa nila. So, yun yung maganda dito. Yan. Yan. Ito mayroon ba to? I doubt mayroon to. Ah, mayroon din pala. Tingnan no. Ay, hindi naman authenticity yan. Parang ano lang. Hindi naman kailangan may authenticity yan. Yan, maganda yan. And then, yeah. So, cool na cool yan. It's either i-keep ko yan or benta. I don't know. Pero again, wala akong regret niyan. Then, ito pre. Ang ganda. May signature. Signature ni Kareem Jackson. Yan. O, sa Texas Lottery pala to. Excited. Ang value daw nito is $350. 733 of 1,350. Yan yung signature niya. Ang certificate niya is nasa likod. I think may screenshot dyan kung ibibenta ko to. May listings na 190 yata. If I'm not mistaken. Basta may ano dyan. $20 ang bili ko nito. Ayun yung certificate niya. Yan. So, yeah. I think may dalawang listings yata. So, kung ibibenta ko, $20 lang kasi kuha ko nito. So, hindi na masama. Diba? So, again, it's either i-keep ko yan or ibenta. I don't know. Pero, solid na solid yan. Right? And then ito. Ito yung pinaka-cool. Ito, brand new na brand new. May mga, hindi niya kinuha yung mga protective cardboard yan sa. So, $50. Tinawaran ko na 40. Ang cool-cool nito. Ito pinaka-cool. Tingnan nyo. Authentic game used jersey ni Tony Parker. Ang cool yan, pre, no? Nakita yan, pre. And then, ang authenticity card is nasa likod. Na authentic yan. Na kay Parker talaga yan na galing talaga yan sa jersey ni Parker yan. Certificate of authenticity. Yan. Yan. Nasabi. Wala ito, pre. Wala din tong listing sa eBay. So, imagine niyo walang listing sa eBay. So, kung ibibenta ko to, kahit makakuha ako dito ng mga 150, then kuha ko niyan 40, di ba? Di na masama. You know what I'm saying? Ang ganda-ganda niyan. I don't know, again, hindi ko pa alam kung ibenta ko yan or keep. Ito lahat, pre, as in, wala talaga akong problema. Ito kay Zeke, kay Elliot, ito, cool na cool din to. Ito yung authenticity card niya. Yan yung signature ni Elliot. Oh, may plastic pen. Hindi ko yan tatanggalin sa plastic. Ito yung so Texas Lottery din to. May nakalagay. Valued at $475. Congratulations, you're a winner of the Texas Lottery Dallas Cowboys second chance drawing. Kita niya, pre. Valued at $475. Ito yung certificate of authenticity. Now, may nabenta dito. The same certificate lahat. May nabenta $175 yata. Oh, so ito pa lang. Okay, ayos na. Right? Oh, yan. May certificate yan kay Zeke. Ito kay Diggs, may marami siyang mga sa eBay. May mga daming, ito yung sa kanya, si Diggs. May mga, ito yung signature niya. Yan, kung makikita nyo. Ang mga autographed jersey niya na with certificate, I think may mga nabibenta ng mga $90. Pero walang ganito na kagaya nito na certificate. Oh, yan. Walang ganito. Iba yung COA nila. Ito iba. So, yeah. So, kung ibenta ko to na $90, so at least bawi ko din yung Ito actually nag-risk ako dito eh. Nag-risk. Pwede ko din itong i-keep. Diba? Habang tumatagal ang value tataas. Kasi itong dalawang to, naglalaro pa ngayon sa Cowboys. So, pwede ko itong i-keep and then ibenta pag, I don't know, who knows kailan. Pero at least mayroon akong COA, di ba? So, I don't know. Siguro i-keep ko pa itong dalawa. Hindi ko pa ito ibenta. I'm gonna wait kung ilang taon para may value na sila hanggang mag-retire sila ba. So, yun. Ito yung mga pare ko. As in, di ba? Cool finds of today. So, ito yung isang bahay lang to, and then sa next video yung mga iba naman na pick up ko. Alright mga pare ko, hey, maraming salamat sa ulitin. Bye-bye you.